Hello, this is Julius from Basic Financials. Today I'm going to do a short video, just a little note about payrolling benefits in kind. Now I've done videos before about if you're preparing your tax return, you need to put in the values for your pay and tax deducted from your P60 on your employment pages of your tax return. And you also need to, if you've got a P11D showing benefits in kind, for example medical benefits, that's the common one, or a company car, company fuel, then you need to put the value of those benefits in as well. Now, something that came in a few years ago was something called payrolling benefits in kind, and that was something that basically P11Ds still have to be prepared and submitted to HMRC by the company, but they don't necessarily need to go to the employee. What happens is that the value of the benefit in kind, say the car benefit, will get added to the gross taxable pay on your payslip, and then the tax is worked out within your pay. So your payslip will show your gross pay, it will show the benefit in kind, which you don't get money for, you've just got the benefit, and then it will calculate the tax based on those two figures, and show the tax deducted, national insurance deducted, but your net pay, importantly, would be not including that benefit in kind, because you're not getting paid that. Now, what you have to be a bit careful about is your P60 figure will show the gross pay including the value of benefits and the tax deducted, according to, worked out on those two figures. So when you do your tax return and you enter in your figures according to your P60, you've already included your benefits in kind. So don't then go and put your benefits in kind in the boxes for benefits in kind. Otherwise you'll end up paying twice on your benefits in kind because you've already paid the tax within your pay. Now, a good way to know, the way to know that is from your pay slips. It doesn't show on your P60, unfortunately, which is a bit crazy. You'd think that they would have redesigned P60s to make it very clear that it includes the value of benefits in there. But have a close look at your pay slip, and your month 12 pay slip, i.e. probably 31st of March, will probably show the cumulative value of figures, and if it's got the benefits in kind in there, then you'll know that they're payrolling benefits, and you don't then therefore want to be adding it to the P11D. The other thing to note is that if benefits are being payrolled, your tax code won't show any sign of benefits in there. Whereas if it's not being payrolled and you have a P11D, which you then do put in your tax return, you would normally see on your tax code that in order to try and collect the tax in the year, HMRC will have taken off values of benefits from your personal allowance to arrive at a lower tax code than usual. So yeah, complicated as ever, but hopefully that gives you a little heads up on what to be wary of when you're doing your tax return and you've got benefits in kind. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them in the box below as usual, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again for another video sometime. Thanks for listening.